So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get into this screen, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. Then you want to turn it off again and then turn it on again. Do that quickly. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. Straight away, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times. And then it's going to take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options, which will then take you into here. Now once we're here for the first method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, and then click on Advanced Options, and then click on Start to Repair. If you do not see Start to Repair, you want to click on See More Recovery Options, and then it should appear right here. So you want to click on Start to Repair. It's now going to diagnose your PC, see if this works for you. If that did not work for you for the second method, you want to click on Advanced Options, and then click on Troubleshoot, and then click on Advanced Options again, and then click on System Restore. If you have a restore point, you want to go back to it. If you don't, you want to click on Cancel. And now for the third method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Uninstall Updates. Click on Uninstall Latest Feature Updates, and then click on Uninstall Feature Update again. See if that works for you. If that did not work, you want to click on Close, and then click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. We're going to be typing in some commands. If you see any errors on my screen, just ignore it because I do not have this problem, but in your case it should be working. So if you see any errors, just ignore it, just type in all these commands. So for the first command, you want to type in C:, click on Enter, and now you want to type in cd space /Windows /System32 /config and click on Enter. And now you want to type in md space backup, click on Enter. And now you want to type in copy space ** space backup, click on Enter again. And now you want to type in cd space regback, click on Enter. And now you want to type in copy space ** space ... click on Enter again. And now for the last command, you want to type in A and then click on Enter. And now you just want to close out of Command Prompt. And now once you close out of Command Prompt, you want to continue onto Windows. Hopefully that'll fix your problem. If the problem is still not fixed for the last method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, and then click on Advanced Options, and then click on Startup Settings, and then click on Restart. And now once you run this, you want to enable safe mode of networking. So you want to click on either 5 or F5 on your keyboard. Wait for this to load. And now once you're in safe mode, you just want to simply restart your computer. It will then take you back into normal Windows and then the problem should be fixed.